In the shadowed islands of Indonesia, there lurks an ancient beast, a silent, cunning, cold-blooded killer. Meet the Komodo dragon, Earth's largest, deadliest lizard, a real-life Godzilla. But don't let its slow, lumbering walk fool you. When it's time to hunt, the Komodo transforms into an absolute force of nature. It can take down prey up to 5 times its size. But what actually makes them so deadly, and do they really hunt humans? What you're looking at isn't just a mouth, it's a lethal weapon. The Komodo's teeth are serrated like a shark's, designed to tear flesh with brutal efficiency. But it's the bacteria within its saliva that delivers the death blow. One bite, an infection takes hold. The dragon is patient, lurking just out of sight. Once it bites, it waits. Because with every beat of its prey's heart, the deadly bacteria begins to spread, ravaging from within. This is a predator that doesn't just rely on speed, it relies on inevitability. The Komodo's bite doesn't kill immediately, it cripples and lets infection take root. The prey weakens, its strength sapped by pain and poison until escape is no longer an option. Contrary to clickbait headlines and stories, the Komodo dragon rarely targets humans specifically, but when it does, the results can be deadly. In one tragic encounter in 2007, an 8-year-old boy on Komodo Island was ambushed by a hungry dragon, leaving his friends to rush for help. Despite efforts to scare off the dragon, the boy did not survive the brutal attack, highlighting the risks of living close to this formidable predator. But it's not just locals who encounter these dragons. In 2008, a group of shipwrecked divers found themselves stranded on Rinca Island, home to over 1,000 Komodo dragons. Facing relentless dragon attacks, they defended themselves for 2 days with rocks and diving gear before being rescued. For them, survival was a game of endurance and strategy. Komodo dragons are not the great mothers crocodiles are. Check out our Crocodile Facts video for more on this. Sometimes when food is scarce, Komodo dragons will feed on hatchlings of their own species. It's for this reason that young Komodo dragons spend a lot of time up in trees. They have the claws for it, but over time, they become too heavy for climbing. Young Komodo dragons also often roll in fecal matter. The Smithsonian National Zoo says that they do this to assume a scent that the large dragons are programmed to avoid. Around 10% of their diet is made up of Komodo hatchlings. In a burst of speed, the Komodo reaches its prey in seconds, its limbs propelling it forward at up to 20 kilometers per hour. Once it has a hold, it doesn't let go. With teeth that slice through flesh like a knife through butter, it tears and rips into its meal with unbelievable ferocity. And when blood is spilled, that is a dinner bell for others to arrive. Komodo dragons are known to work alone, but the scent of fresh prey is a call for everyone to feast in one chaotic banquet. A brutal reminder that for this island's apex predator, survival is a matter of teamwork, savagery, and a relentless hunger. Komodo dragons are massive animals, and they can take down animals as large as wild boar, deer, and water buffalo. When the dwarfed elephants that are now extinct roamed the islands during the Pleistocene period, fossil records indicate that they were able to take them down too. After they digest, they will regurgitate what is known as a gastric pellet. Similar to owl pellets, a gastric pellet contains horns, hair, teeth, and other bits of prey that can't be digested. The Komodo dragon relies heavily on its powerful sense of smell to find prey across its vast, rugged island habitat. Flicking its long, forked tongue, the Komodo samples the air for chemical cues, detecting food from as far as 2.5 miles away. The scent trail leads it with lethal accuracy, even if the prey is out of sight. Their social structure is ruled by size, with larger dragons taking priority. Despite their fierce natures, these dragons also ensure survival through reproduction, with females laying eggs once a year. Interestingly, they can even reproduce without a mate, a rare trait known as parthenogenesis, ensuring the survival of their species in isolated environments. The Komodo's reputation as a killer isn't just legend, it is a calculated, powerful creature reminding all who enter its domain that it reigns supreme. Encounters with Komodo dragons are rare, but each one serves as a chilling reminder of the power of nature's ultimate predator. Keen to check out other ancient predators? Have a look-see at our 5 jaw-dropping crocodile facts video.